Now, what was it you're trying to make again?
3D.
Oh, yeah. It's a really boring thing.
A bracket.
Basically.
A phone with a keyhole on the back onto.
I told Andy Cole you were using it for something genuinely actually useful, and he got really excited.
Oh, right.
Yeah, because that was pretty much what you bought it for.
I thought Foley bought it just for his own amusement.
Oh no,
and there's nobody else. Oh, right.
Mark's already got one.
He would have, wouldn't he?
It's very odd to see it doing all diagonally, really.
It gives more strength that way, obviously, because it's got laminated, you know, in terms of
and then so if it's
is that
got
a model, or is that not really interpreting it?
no, it uses it. You make a model, a solid model, and then you put it through a slicing algorithm, which then decides how best to build it.
Right.
So sometimes it makes it a bit hollow. And
I mean, this slicing engine likes this opposing crisscross pattern on each layer, whereas the other one we were using before, which is the wrong one, liked honeycomb patterns for the middle, so it would make it hollow with a honeycomb pattern in the middle. Just depends on what you need for strength, really. I mean, well, that was